So if you want to verify your YouTube account with a phone number, this is how you're going to do it. So what we're going to do is go to your YouTube and log into your YouTube channel account. So wherever you want to verify, just log that in. Okay, and now once you're done here, what we're going to do on your address bar here, next to your address bar, or with your on your address, just what you're going to do is just type in /verify. Type in verify. Okay, so next to your youtube.com, just add in /verify. Hit on enter. So this will take you to this verification page here, and here you can start with your phone verification. So you're going to verify with your phone. So they're going to send you a code, and you can choose how you want that code to be delivered to your phone number. So you want it to be delivered as a text message or as a call. You can choose that. If you want to as a text message, you can select as a text message here, the first option, and select your country and whatever your phone number is, just plug that in. So your country, your phone number, everything, and then hit on next. And now what happened is that, so in next page here, what's going to happen is, since I selected text message, now a 6-digit code will be sent to my phone number as a text message. All I have to do is enter that 6-digit code here and hit on submit, and that's it. My account will be verified.